So hello everyone, I am Divyansh Rawat from class 9th and I am a student of English spoken by Sambhav Sir. So today's my destination topic is Srinagar. As you know, Srinagar is situated in the north in the Kashmiri Valley in northern India on the bank of the Jhelum River. Srinagar names come from the two words in Sanskrit. So first one is Sri. Sri means Lakshmi. For example, prosperity and second word is Nagar. Nagar meaning city. So Srinagar is also known as the Srinagar is also known as the summer capital of India, and it is known as the heaven. It is known as the it is known as the name with the heaven on earth. And if we talk about Srinagar famous cloth, so the Pashmini shawl is also unique, traditional, and famous in worldwide. If you went to Srinagar, so you can saw Srinagar pupils cover with the only one shawl because they gives us so many heat, so they don't need other warm warm cloth. And the houseboats of Dal Lake is also most visited place, and so many person also enjoy this ride. And if we talk about other famous places, so Negan Lake, Balar Lake, and Shankaracharya Hills and Mughal Garden, etc. So many places are famous in Srinagar. Srinagar is famous for his natural beauty, and Srinagar is also safe to visit it and spend time with our family in our natural beauty. And the significant population of Srinagar is Muslim. If we talk about Srinagar total population, so 17 lakh 38,000 is the total population of Srinagar. And Kashmiri and Urdu language are used in Srinagar because we know that most of the population is Muslim, so that's reason Urdu are most talking language in Srinagar. And if we talk about total distance Srinagar, so the distance between the Gwalior and Srinagar is 928 kilometer. If you plan to go Srinagar, so we have a three way to go Srinagar. First one is by airline. So if you want to go airline, so first you have to book your ticket, and then you go to airport and take the flight. So you can directly go Srinagar. You can go directly Srinagar airport. And if we talk and second way to by train, so we can also book the ticket of train, and then we can take our train, so you can directly go Srinagar. And by car, so car or bus, so many example by road. So and if we talk about famous temple of Srinagar, so in Lord Shivaji, so Amarnath temple is the most famous temple in Srinagar. And if we talk about Goddess Durga temple, so the Vaishno Dham is also famous in Srinagar. So Srinagar is also a beautiful place, and the Ladakh is also the part of the Jammu and Kashmir significant of Buddhism. So if you like, that's all about my place. So if you like this video, so please like, comment and share on this video. Thank you so much.